Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show uh, the surface works in Solidworks software. So extrude surface and also the planar how to execute in a Solidworks software. Solidworks I'll show today. So now I'm going to the file, taking the new, or I can press the Control and from the keyboard. Part is selected, then OK. Okay, after that I'm going to the front plane sketch and going to the line or SP line. I'm taking the first one is the line. Okay, I'm taking line. As you wish. First I'm taking this way. Now, okay. Then click select, then exit it. After that I'm going to the insert surface, extrude is selected. Then I'm click on this face. At any face you can press, and I can increase it. I'm taking this one as the toe. I can also in from the mid plane. Okay, and exit it. You're watching. Okay. After that, I'm going to the file again, taking the another new file. Then again, front plane is taken, and center rectangle is selected. Sketch the center rectangle. Then exit it. I'm going to the insert. Again, extrude is selected. Then click on this line, and I'm taking this one is 2 inch from the mid plane, or I can take blind. 6 is number 3. Then done. Now I'm going to the insert surface and select the planar. I'm taking one edge and another edge. Now this one is your watching. Then okay. Then rotate it. I'm selecting space, so I'm going to the insert surface and planar is selected. One face and another face. Okay, done. Now I want to color. Select this one. Going here. I'm taking this color. Okay, and I want to color this space. Select this one. Going here. I'm taking this one. Okay, I think got it everybody how to draw it and how to execute the planar and extrude of the surface in Solidworks software. So I'll request please subscribe the channel, like, comment, and share. And the redesign engineering is always with you. If you have any questions, you can ask in comment box. Thank you.